How to write fraction in MS Word. Here are the example. You can see. Let's start. Now consider this is a Microsoft Word. What you need to do, go to the insert, and on the right hand corner you can see an option for the equation. If you click on this arrow, there are different format. Let's consider the first one. So it shows a equal to pi r square. Now if you want to write a fraction, what you need to do, go to the fraction, and over here you will see the different types. So let's consider the first one, and in this case you can write, let's say 2 divided by say 4. So that simple it is. If you double click, you can select the fraction, and if you want to change font size or something, so for example if we need to increase the font size, you can just change the font size. If you want to make this as a bold, you can choose the bold option. You can also highlight it, let's say yellow color, or if you want to change the color, let's do the Control Z, and if you want to change the color, let's consider red.